Good morning, everyone. I want to say hello from, right now I'm in South Florida and it's an extremely hot and humid day. But today there's something that I want to talk to you guys about, and that's about pruning a plant. And what pruning is when you see like diseased leaves or dying leaves on a plant. And it's not good to keep it that way. It makes more sense to cut off. I'm going to take my shears here. Let me show you how to do it. And what you want to do is you want to cut off anything that doesn't look like life. Like these branches here, yellow. And sometimes I know when I first started gardening, I used to be like, oh my God, I don't want to kill the plant. But the great thing is that you're not killing the plant. What you're allowing the plant to do is to harness all this energy into all of the plant that is healthy, versus like you wouldn't want it energy to be going into any dead leaves. So what you do is you cut off anything that doesn't look like life, because all it's doing is wasting the energy of the plant and not allowing the plant to move forward, because it's distributing energy to branches and leaves that don't have life in them. So even though once I go down there's not going to be much left, this is a lot better for the plant versus allowing the plant, because eventually this plant is just going to die because all the energy is just being wasted. There was an example of, I had a grapefruit tree, and about 2 months ago there was a lot of spring rain, and I had it in a spot to where the roots got saturated with water. And what happened was it created root rot, to where, you know, the roots, it's too much water and the plant can't thrive. And this plant was at least, I want to say, 3 feet tall. What I had to do was I had to cut it down to like the bare. And look, in a month, look how already you see it's sprouting back up. And you would have thought once you see this that it wouldn't be any life left in this plant. This is all like the little branches that I cut off. So like I had a pumpkin plant that wasn't flourishing, and it had some leaves on it. So what I kept doing was every day I would check and remove any leaves that it looked like life. And it's amazing what that plant is doing right now. Pretty sure in a little while I'm gonna have some pumpkins. So don't ever be afraid to prune, because in pruning it produces new life, because you're allowing this plant to distribute that energy and where it's efficient rather than wasteful. So once you get those gardens started, and you're gonna have those issues where you're gonna have diseased leaves, or let's say a pest comes in and starts chomping away at the leaves, it is best to get rid of those leaves or those stems to allow your plant to thrive. And you guys have a beautiful, blessed day.